Right there. Got him.
Huh?
Yep.
Big?
Nope. Ooh, decent one. Ooh, better one. Yeah. With the pinhead right here, you guys. With the pinhead. Let me show you how it is. Right here. Right there, you guys. Right there. With the pinhead, he choked it. We'll release this one for now. It's still early. Ah, there it goes, you guys.
Oh.
Here it goes.
We got the Spooler Elite 30-inch Noodle equipped with 3-pound mono gold, frost gold.
Sunny Master.
My favorite half man.
Little 10. Tiny guy. Little 10-incher. See you later, buddy. Alright guys, I found it. This is the smallest you can get out of a clam. The Tikka Mino 1/16 is a 1-inch length, and this is gonna be the gold one. It's hook size is a size number 16 red treble, so you can definitely check them out. I love them, honestly. They're new this year, 2022, and if you guys haven't used them, hopefully next season, 2023, you guys will definitely get into it. Trust me, when they're active, this is all you need. No bait. Right there. Ooh. On a Tikka. Ooh, yeah, big one, bro. Oh my god. Ooh, that's a lot. Dude, yeah, I got that recorder, yeah. On the Tikka too. You look right, come on. Dude, I knew they were big in here. Dude, that's easy 12 right there, bro. Well, I lost bigger ones. Look at it, Andrew came in.
He's got so much energy.
Ooh, look at that.
There you go. Oh,
Show the camera right there, right there. Yeah, look at that, beast, dude.
Beast, monster. You got it?
Yeah, I got it. Look at that on a Tikka, you guys.
The Tikka.
First fish on a Tikka.
Maybe I'll be like, hey, come here, fish this spot.
Right there again.
Another big one.
Nope, another small one. Another tenner.
Darn it.
Another tenner. At least you gotta get to see on the Tikka. Good. No, you can't. You're gonna damage your camera. He's the guy. Drop the camera down. All right, guys. I'm gonna release this guy.
Shoot! Oh my god.
It's still nice, but we'll get big ones later. There it is. Nice. Huh?
I can't hear nothing.
I heard Andrew's mouth said something. Oh, here's another one. Oh. Here's another one. Oh, he's coming. Oh, he missed it. He missed the bite. Oh, he's coming back. Got him! The Tikka is ripped. Look at that. What was that?
Damn.
Another Tikka, you guys. Look at that. Ultra light rod. That's what I like. There it is. Voila. Huh? I told you. Yeah, just fish around here. Look at your face. Look at his face. Yeah, there's a lot, bro. Alright, here's another one. Another 10 inch. Right there. Got him. Oh, feels pretty decent. Oh, big pumpkin seed. Big pumpkin seed. Look at this. Look at that. Big pumpkin seed, guys. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Look at this pumpkin seed. Just chow on it. Look at that. Just chow on that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What is going on? Everything's... Ow! Ow, ow. Okay. Easy release. On.
Slabs! Just kidding. Baby! Sun's out, guns, buns out. There's a lot of them. But with little guys, there's a big guy. They're kind of fired up, which is good to see.
They're here. They are here. Big one. Oh, perch.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you got a perch.
Oh, he swallowed this thing.
8 only. But if we upgrade, we can upgrade.
He wanted to eat this thing. Danny. Oh, Danny, get that out.
A pike. It's a pike.
Might be a bass.
Could be a bass. I'm recording behind the scenes. Slow it. Now on, you guys. Let's see what Mom has here.
Holding like a.
You got a good drag?
My fingers are drag.
Your fingers are drag.
A bass.
It was a big bass. There's a bass. There you go.
Oh, no wonder it felt so
a pound
good.
and a half.
1 pounder.
One pounder, pound and a
This
half.
guy wasn't getting through. It went through the lip.
Perfect right there. Shows you the camera behind the scene.
He took my plastic. That's my last one.
Catch and release. There you go. You gotta come to him with these Anna, the deep throat suckers. Piranha.
Come on, hit it. Oh boy, this is a big one. Best deucer, please. grab the deucer. I'm serious. It's a big one. Look, it's a big one. Go, grab the deucer. Get ready.
Well, that's a good one. Ooh.
Oh, let's go. That's not huge, but it felt big. Let's go. Come here.
That's what I'm talking about. Release your other one.
Yeah. I'll go. I know. Look at the kite!
That's what I was doing earlier.
Oh, right there. I got one as I sit. Oh, there's a big gill, yo. Big gill. There's a big gill. Look at that. Big gill, yes. That chomped on
Oh yeah.
Oh boy.
Biggin. Your little eaters. Stop. These guys have a nice purple sheen in them. Look at that. Purple sheen to them. Pretty. How's my line twisting? Weird. It's gonna be hard for me to sync any video. Woohoo! It's on fire over here, boys. Fish spot. Andy Cho.
So hard to
See you later.
Coming hot. Ooh. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh. Yes.
All day.
Coming in hot, coming in hot. Oh, right there. Coming in hot. Oh, another good crappie. Oh, yeah. Oh, no more like the water. That's a good crappie right here. Oh, yeah. Man, look at that, guys. Chomped it. Look at that. Ooh, chomped it. Oh, here's one coming up hot. In hot. Oh my. Coming in hot, baby. Look at that rod there. Oh, another. Oh, there's a thicker ones over here. Look at that. Look at that. Chow.
took my plastic. You hater. Oh, I hurt. My knees hurt. Oh.
Okay, that's a good one?
No. I got one, but my knees hurt. This ice is tough, man. Oh. Little guy. Woohoo! See you later, dude.
Nice cutter.
Oh, you bat.
I got the big one, Tikka 342.
Huh?
Oh, shut oh, cute. There's the pink nuggy guys right there.
Cute. That's right. Fish kite. No. Come back here. Dude. Get the skin,
So the season of this year, the most to me, my experience about myself, what I learned is to meet a lot of people in different ways, learning what they do, how they fish, how they perform, just understanding the system of the water, the body of water, and just work it around it and be very flexible. Fish is everywhere, and finding different schools, multiple schools, and a number of great, large, from the smallest to the biggest. So that's why I kind of learned just to bounce around. I mean, I'm always mobile, but the key is just finding that grade of a school from the body of water that you go to. So, and meeting people was great. Understanding, like I said, you learn a little more from everybody, especially new people that you had never met before. That's probably another biggest thing for me. Just overcome yourself and be positive that you are also great at them. So, and the season as a season goal for this year for me, less fishing. To me, it's like probably less fishing. I usually fish every single day or every other day, but it became more not wasting too much time, understanding the weather condition outside when it's to go and not to go. It kind of helped me think about how these fish move, if it's hot or not. But you never know, right? Every day is a different day, but you want to challenge yourself to see what your prediction could be. It's the Midwest, it's Minnesota, so it's bipolar, so we have the same situation with the fish that, it might be a great day And there's days that it's been very nasty, and those are probably one of the best days. Some days are too nice. You don't catch a lot of fish, but you know, it's a great day to be out instead of being in the office, right? Or stuck at home, or being in bed and couch. But yeah, I learned a lot, and fishing with the team of KOD and Clam and so forth get better as we go. So more people, more adventures, more season to come.
So how did the season go this year? I didn't get out as much. This year was more of a challenging year. Got 2 young kids, so I got out when I could, but did not get out. But at the end of the day, I still got ice time. So I can't complain. Was still successful, still caught fish, made new friends, made new memories. So I can't complain. Yeah, that's kind of the recap of how I thought this season went. A lot of good opportunities, a lot of new experiences, such as with shields and stuff. But again, didn't get out as much. But there's always next year, the following year. Anytime I do get out, I was very thankful. So yeah, that's what I thought about this year. So one thing I learned this season is try not to be so stubborn on the ice. And when I say being stubborn on the ice, you got your favorite lure that you always use, you're most comfortable with, and you know fish love it. But when you're out there and you just see marks but you can't get them to bite, you gotta change it up. You know, that's the one thing. Always be changing if you want to be successful. So don't be stubborn out on the ice. That's the one thing I learned.
All right, this season I learned how important it is to be efficient in how you fish and how to be quieter when you're fishing electronics and the noise that electronics generate. As you all know, I primarily use live scope, and the past 2 seasons I've been seeing little things here and there, but this year has been really apparent that the fish are becoming very in tune to the noise of the live scope transducer with the power that it generates, as well to get the images that you want for a forward facing sonar. I found it really important to have a second unit of XLR, some portable unit where you can quickly move around and get on top of the fish without spooking them. So that's been one of the biggest findings this year for me. In terms of how did this season go, I would say it's been a rough season because of my health with COVID and everything that I've explained in my personal page. Not getting out on the water until February and having that be pretty much like the most dead time of year to be fishing. And a lot of people had a lot of trouble and struggles in February, so didn't get great content, and that was the biggest challenge that I had going into this year. But the year kind of ended out pretty well. So I think overall this season, even though it was shorter, turned out to be pretty good.
All
right, guys, it's KOD fortune cookie time.
I love it.
So we're gonna read it.
All right, so my fortune says, encourage me, and I will not forget you.
How about you, Danny?
Mine says every success becomes a vice.
Every success becomes advice.
Becomes a vice.
A vice.
Oh, you got your vices.
Oh, it's true. Believe it.
Slabs.
So let me see. All right. Education will never be as expensive as ignorance.
Hey.
Took me a
It's
while
so
to pay off. Took me a while to pay off my student loans.
I'm
So.
still paying for mine on purpose.
All right, guys. You give this guy the camera. Okay, guys. Peace out.